Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and you are tuned in to the very first episode of Scratch That. So thanks for tuning in. So Scratch That, we are going to take regular food items and transform them into a delicious recipe. And this week, we are featuring Bird's Eye oven roasters seasoned potatoes, and we are going to transform them into cheesy bacon and ranch potatoes. All right, so the ingredients that I'm going to use is triple cheddar cheese, and I get the farm style thick cut, but you can definitely get any type of cheese that you like. You can do Colby Jack, mozzarella, whatever your preference. I am going to use Hidden Valley Ranch, buttermilk, my fave. And these potatoes are seasoned, but I'm gonna add my own seasoning. So I'm gonna use a fourth of a teaspoon of garlic powder, a fourth of a teaspoon of paprika, and this is like my favorite spice ever in life. It's Louisiana style Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna use a half a teaspoon, but if you like the spice, hey, go for it. Use however much or however little you want. And last but not least, Applewood smoked classic cut bacon. Okay, so the first thing I did is I took about 4 strips of bacon and I cut those in half, and I put them in my saucepan over medium-high heat. And you just want to let those brown on each side, maybe about 3 to 4 minutes, because remember, it's going to go in the oven after it's done. Okay, so now we're going to add the ingredients. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of paprika, and a fourth of a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. You just want to give that a stir. Oh, yes. Delicious. Okay, so once that's all stirred up, you want to transfer it to your cookie. You can use a cookie sheet or a baking dish or a casserole dish, and you just want to spray it with some nonstick olive oil. And I have the oven, it's preheated to 450 degrees. So you just want to spread this on your cookie sheet. And then I have a fourth of a cup of ranch that I'm just gonna drizzle over the potatoes. You can add more if you like ranch, but. And then I have a half a cup of the shredded cheese, but I may have to add some more. So I would say do about a cup of the cheese. I'm just gonna sprinkle some more cheese right on top. And like I said, you can add however much you desire. Should be good. And the last thing you wanna add is the bacon. And I just kind of break it up into pieces and just scatter it over the dish. And I did drain the excess grease off of the bacon. Now another way you can cook your bacon is in the air fryer. It definitely takes out a lot of that grease as well. But I use a skillet today. Okay, so the ingredients are on, and you pop this in the oven at 450 degrees for about 18 minutes. So here is the final product, 18 minutes in the oven at 450 degrees. I cannot wait to taste it.